Good morning, students. Yes, friends, as you know, we are doing third unit, that is playing with number. In this, in previous lecture, we discussed all divisibility tests. Divisibility test. In divisibility test, we discuss how we can know a number is exactly divisible by any number without performing actual division. So let's recall once again, revise these all tests once again. That is, first is divisibility by 2. Yes, friends, divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. This is first rule. Then second rule is divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if sum of all digits is divisible by 3. For 2, if last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For 3, if sum of all digits is divisible by 3. Yes, friends. Next is divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if last two digits. A number is divisible by 4 if last two digits are divisible by 4. Clear, friends? Next is divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if our last digit is 0 or 4. A number is divisible by 5 if our last digit is 0 or 5. Then we can say this number is fully divisible by 5. Yes, friends. Next is divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if last three digits. A number is divisible by 8 if last three digits are divisible by 8. Yes, friends. Next is divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if sum of all digits is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if sum of all digits is divisible by 9. Next is divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if our last digit is 0. A number is divisible by 10 if our last digit is 0. Now, last is divisibility by 11. Divisibility by 11. Yes, friends, a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digits odd places and the sum of digits even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. Yes, friends, a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digits odd places, here we start from ones place, and sum of digits even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. For example, we have a number 5,73,000. For example, we have a number 5,73,000 243. 5,73,243. Yes. Now start from ones place. These are one, this one. These are our odd place numbers. 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, then 7. These are odd places number. Now count. Total digit are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So odd place numbers are 3, 2 and 7. These are odd place number. 1, third place 2 and fifth place 7. And these number are even place numbers 4, 3 and 5. Now add odd place numbers. Odd place numbers are 7, 2, 3. 7 plus 2 plus 3. So sum is 12. Now even place 5, 3, 4. 5, 3, 4. 5 plus 3, 8. And 8 plus 4 is 12. Now difference between them, 12 minus 12, 0. So it means 5,73,243 is divisible by 11, because difference of even odd place and even place numbers is 0. It means 5,73,243 number is divisible by 11 because sum of odd places and sum of even places is 12, 12 and their difference is 0. So it means this number is divisible by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the sum of odd places, the difference of the sum of odd and even places should be 0 or divisible by 11. So here our difference is 0. So it means this number is exactly divisible by 11. Clear, students? Yes, students. Now we'll start exercise 3.1. 3.2. Now we'll discuss few questions of exercise 3.2. Yes, students, exercise 3.2. Your first question is, which numbers are divisible by 5 or by 10? Which number? First question is, which numbers are divisible by 5 and by 10. Now in first question we will check the divisibility of 5 and divisibility of 10 for each number. Clear, students? Now first part is, our number is 3,725. Our number is 3,725. First we'll check divisibility by 5. By 5. Divisibility of 5 is, a number is divisible by 5 if our last digit is 5 or 0. So last digit is 5. By 5, your answer is yes. Yes means this number is divisible by 5. Now check by 10. Yes, friends. What is the divisibility of 10? A number is divisible by 10 if our last digit is 0. If our last digit is 0, here our last digit is 5. So it means this number is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 10. Clear, friends? By 5, by 10. Answer no. Next is second part. Now our number is 48,970. 48,970. First we'll check divisibility by 5. By 5. Yes, friends. Divisibility of 5 is a number is divisible by 5 if last digit is 0 or 5. Here our last digit is 0. So it means this number is divisible by 10. Your answer yes. Now check divisibility by 10. According to the rules, a number is divisible by 10 if our last digit is 0. And here our last digit is 0. So it means your answer yes. Means second part, this number is divisible by 5 and divisible by 10. Clear, students? Next is third part. Now third number is 56,000. 56,823. 56,823. Now first we'll check divisibility by 5. Last digit is 3. Last digit is 3. So it means your answer no. It means this number is not divisible by 5. Now check divisibility by 10. Again, check last digit. A number is divisible by 10 if our last digit is 0. But here our last digit is 3. So it means no. So 56,823 is not divisible by 5 and 10. 5 and 10. Clear, students? This is first, second and third part of question number 1. Next is fourth part. Now our number is 7,60,000. 7,60,035. 7,60,035. First we will check divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5. Our last digit is 5. So if our last digit is 0 or 5, then we can say this number is divisible by 5. So here our last digit is 5, so it means this number is divisible by 5. So your answer, yes. Now by 10, divisibility of 10 is if last digit is 0, but here our last digit is 5. So it means this number is not divisible by 10. Dear students, next is fifth part. Now number is 78 lakh 93,000 217. 78 lakh 93,217. First we'll check divisibility by 5. Last digit is 7. So our answer is no. Divisibility of 5, last digit is 7. So it means this number is not divisible by 5. Now check divisibility by 10. Last digit is 7. Again our answer no. So students, 78 lakh 93,217 is not divisible by 5 and 10. These are first 5 parts of question number 1. First question, 5 parts. Clear, students? To solve these questions, students, you have to learn all these divisibility tests. For example, we are discussing divisibility by 5 and divisibility by 10. Divisibility of 5 is a number is divisible by 5 if our last digit is 0 or 5. And divisibility of 10 is a number is divisible by 10 if our last digit is 0. So in these questions, we'll observe only last digit. For 5, it should be 0 or 5. For 10, it should be 0. Clear, students? Next is sixth part. Sixth part. Now, our number is 5 crore 50,000 5 crore 50,000 10. 5 crore 50,000. Students, now first we'll check the divisibility by 5. By 5. Yes, students, our last digit is 0. So it means this number is divisible by 5. By 10, last digit is 0. Your answer is yes. This is sixth part of question number 1. Clear, students? Now question number 2. Which numbers are divisible by 2, 4 and 8? which numbers are divisible by 2, 4 and 8. Yes, friends. Now we'll check the divisibility of 2, divisibility of 4, divisibility of 8. Now in given numbers, we will check the divisibility of 2, divisibility of 4, divisibility of 8. Now rules are divisibility of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if our last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then we can say this number is divisible by 2. Next is divisibility of 4. A number is divisible by 4 if last two digits are divisible by 4. Divisibility of 8 is a number is divisible by 8 if last three digits are divisible by 4. Here we prepare a column for rough work. Now second question, first part. First part. Our number is 54,000 54,014. 54,014. First we'll check the divisibility by 2. By 2. For divisibility of 2, just observe the last digit is 2. So it means this number is divisible by 2. Now by 4. By 4. Last we will observe 2 digits. 14. 14 divided by 4. Remainder is 2. It means no. Last 2 digits are not divisible by 4. Now by 8. Last 3 digits. One is 0 and the remaining 2 are 14. Is 14 fully divisible by 8? 8 1 are 8, 8 2 are 16. So no. Sorry. No. No. 54,014 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 4 and 8. Clear, students? Next is second part. Now number is 7,23,840. First we'll check divisibility by 2. For divisibility by 2, last digit is 0. So it means this number is divisible by 2. Your answer is yes. Now divisibility by 4. By 4. Last 2 digits 40. 40 divided by 4 we'll get 10. So answer is yes. You can check 40 divided by 4. 4 1. Remainder is 0. So answer is yes. Now check divisibility by 8. By 8. Last 3 digits 840. Divide by 8. 8 1 are 8. 4 0. 8 5 are 40. So answer is yes. Remainder is 0. Answer yes. It means 7,23,840 is divisible by 2, 4 and 8. This number is divisible by 2, 4 and 8. Dear students, this is first and second part of question number 3. Next is third part. Third part now number is 65 lakh 31,088. 65 lakh 31,088. First we'll check divisibility by 2. Last digit is 8. So your answer yes. It means this number is divisible by 2. Now check divisibility by 4. 4. Last two digits 88. 88 divided by 4. 4 2 are 8. 8 4 2 are 8. Remainder is 0. So answer yes. Now by 8, last three digits 0 8 8. First is 0, then remaining are 88. 88 divided by 8, which will divide by 11. So your answer is yes. It means 65,31,088 is divisible by 2, divisible by 4 and divisible by 8. Dear students, this is the second question for part first, second and third. Clear students? Next is fourth part. Now number is 7 crore 56 lakh. Number is 7 crore 56 lakh 89,604. Clear? Yes, students. First, we'll check the divisibility by 2. By 2. Just observe last digit 4. So your answer is yes. Now divisibility by 4. Now observe last two digit. First is 0, then remaining is 0. 4 divided by 4. Divided by 1, then remainder is 0. So your answer is yes. Next is divisibility by 8. By 8. Observe last three digits 604 side. 604 divided by 8. 56. 44. No. So your answer is no. Yes, students. Now next is fifth part. Fifth part is 7,86,000. 7,86,235. 7,86,235. First we'll check divisibility by 2. Last digit is 5. So this number is Not divisible by 2 because our last digit is odd. Yes, students. Now check divisibility by 4. By 4. Last two digits 35. 35 is not fully divisible by 4. Now try 35 divided by 4. 8. 8 4 are 32. Remainder is 3. So answer no. Now check divisibility by 8. Last three digits 235. 235 divided by 8. 8 2 are 16. 7. 72. Remainder is 3. So answer no. So this number 7,86,235 is not divisible by 2, 4 and 8. Yes, friends. Now last part, 6th. Now a 53 lakh 21,000 53 lakh 21,048. Yes, students. First we'll check the divisibility by 2. By 2. Yes, students, check the divisibility by 2. Last digit is 8. So it means this number is divisible by 2. Now check divisibility by 4. 48. 48. Last two digits 48. 48 divided by 4. It's fully divisible. So answer is yes. Answer is yes. Now check divisibility by 8. By 8. Last three digits. Last three digits 0, 4, 8. First is 0, the remaining is 48. Now 48 divided by 8. 8 6 are 48. It's fully divisible. So answer is yes. Yes, friends. It means 53,21,048 is divisible by 2, divisible by 4 and divisible by 8. Clear, students? So discuss question number first and second of exercise 3.2. So students, today your homework is try to solve question number 1